Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about hydroponics. This topic come under agronomy course of Unit 5. So let me start a discussion with a presentation. So coming to the hydroponics, it is the one methodology of soil-less cultivation. It is a method of growing plant using mineral nutrient solution in water without soil. It is a practice of growing plants without soil. Plant can be grown in plain nutrient solution, or say it is sterilized substrate, and therefore it's microbes free also. Hydroponics use less than 1/3 to the 1/5 of the water used in soil cultivation. It saves a lots of water, and we can say that no weed to deal with, and there is less space and higher yield as compared to other farming. So coming to the types of hydroponic system. First one is nutrient film technique. It is a hydroponic technique where a very shallow stream of water containing all the dissolved nutrients required for the plant growth is recirculated. And it is watertight gully with thick root mat which develop in the bottom of the channel, has an upper surface which is almost moist in the nature, and it has an abundant supply of oxygen to provide to the nutrients to the plant. Now coming to the second one, EBB and flow. In this, there is a tray above a reservoir of nutrient solution. Either a tray is filled with like growing medium. Usually we can say that clay granules is the most common one, and planted directly to pots or medium stand in a tray. And at a regular interval, a simple timer causes a pump to fill the upper tray with nutrient solution, after which the solution drains back down into the reservoir, and this keeps the medium regularly flushed with nutrient as well as air. And once the upper tray fills past the drain stop, it's begin recirculating the water until the timer turns the pump off, and the water in the upper tray drains back into the reservoir. Now coming to the third one, it is a drip system. Drip irrigation is a great water saving solution for hydroponic garden. This is the basic premise is that nutrient solution is pumped out of the reservoir by a main line, and these lateral lines contain a dripper for each plant which is placed directly at the plant base and which provide a controlled flow of water directly to the roots. Now coming to the last one, deep water. This is the hydroponic method of plant production by means of suspending the plant root in a solution of nutrient-rich oxygenated water. This is a traditional method, favor the use of plastic and bucket and large container with a plant contained in a net pot suspended from the center of the lid and the roots suspended in the nutrient solution. And this solution is oxygen saturated from an air pumped combined with porous stones. And this method, the plant grow much faster because of the higher amount of oxygen that the root receives. Now coming to the last topic, advantage of hydroponic. This is the advantage of the hydroponics. Like no soil is needed for hydroponics. The water stay in the system can be reused for any other purpose. It is possible to control the nutrients level accurately, and it is stable and provide high yield, and it is also economically viable to the farmers. Pest and disease are easier to get rid of from this hydroponic system. There is ease of harvesting. There is no technique used like a machinery. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you all will understand the topic which I had covered in this video. So happy learning.